Okay, let's give this Global Fusion Delight sandwich a go. Come on. And stunned. The sandwich on its own is mind-blowingly good. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a 9.5, and then because avocado makes everything better, that's gonna be up to a 10.
Well, another 10 out of 10 AI sandwich. Gives me an opportunity to suck up to our AI overlords. So, Sandwich Dad's gotta try it. Let's go, the Global Fusion Delight. Now, there is a lot going on in this sandwich, so we better crack to it. First, we're gonna get some cream cheese in a bowl, followed by some mango chutney, some tahini. To add that, we're going to add some soy sauce, some real lemon juice. Oh, I'm getting fancy today. Mix that up with some creamed honey, some salt and pepper, and, well, doesn't that look appetizing? We'll spread that over one piece of our bakery brioche bread here, and on the other side, 2 slices of smoked salmon. Onto our salmon, we'll place on some drained kimchi. We're going to throw on some cilantro, and then we're going to crush up some tortilla chips. Now, Barry's 10 out of 10 was made with the avocado or alligator pear, so we'll toss a few slices of that on there, put the hat on, and away we go. Time to cut diagonally and reveal. Hey now. It makes a pretty nice cross-section, I gotta say. Still a little intimidated by the ingredients in there, but Barry said it was mind-blowing, so here we go. Taste test. You know, the actual mind-blowing thing about this sandwich is you can taste everything in it, and it all works. Richness from the avocado and cream cheese, taste the nuttiness in the tahini, sourness of the kimchi, smoke from the salmon, crunch from the tortilla chips, sweetness from the mango and the honey, bit of heat from the kimchi, herbaceousness from the cilantro. It actually is mind-blowing. Barry's 100% right. You should try this. 5 out of 5 easy chairs. This is Sandwich Dad saying, good day!